Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize your Snapchat emoji. First of all, just open the Snapchat application, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and here you can see my Bitmoji here. Now if I wanted to create a new one, so for creating new one, go back from here, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, and you can see midway down is Bitmoji. Just simply tap on this Bitmoji. Now all you have to do is you can easily tap on this unlink my Bitmoji, tap on this remove, and now your emoji will be removed after some time. Now just tap on this create my avatar, select your gender, now select your skin tone, your hairstyle like this, and you can select your face shape, then your beard and mustache, then the eyes color, and you can do all these things easily. You can use glasses, hats, and you can add anything whatever you want. After customizing, when you are okay with your Bitmoji, you can just simply tap on this save button in the top right corner and your Bitmoji is ready now. So that's how you can create and customize your Bitmoji on Snapchat. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.